Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I have been dying for some teriyaki chicken. So you know what? We're gonna make it from scratch. So come on along and let's get started. All right, friends, first we're gonna get started on our white rice. So I've got 2 cups of water. Turn this on a medium high. And we're gonna go in with 1 cup of white rice. I'm also gonna put in 2 tablespoons of butter. This is unsalted, so I'm gonna be sure to add in some salt. Go ahead and give it a stir. And once this comes up to a boil, we're gonna go ahead and put on our lid and let this go. All right, friends, everything is now come to a boil, so we're gonna go ahead and put on our lid and turn down our heat. And I turn this all the way down to low, and we're gonna let that go. All right, friends, let's go ahead and take a look at our rice. Looking really good. All the water has dissolved, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Put the lid back on. We're gonna let that sit over there until we're ready to use it. All right, friends, we're gonna go ahead and get started on our teriyaki sauce. So you're gonna need some water, brown sugar, soy sauce, honey, garlic, and ginger. So we're gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of our water to our saucepan, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of honey, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and we're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of garlic and fresh ginger. All right, we're gonna give this a nice whisk, get everything incorporated, and we are gonna turn this down to a low, and we are gonna let this render down. Our teriyaki sauce, it's looking good, it smells amazing. All right, friends, so while we're waiting on our white rice and our teriyaki sauce, I've got some chicken thighs here, and these are raised on our homestead. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the skin, and then we're gonna debone this. So an easy way to do that is just take your sharp knife, the very sharp end, and cut along the bone. And you wanna expose where that bone is. And then go ahead and take your knife and go up underneath the bone. On both sides. And once you can fit your finger through like this, go ahead and pull it. And you can fit your knife through and cut it through. Same thing on this side. And there we go. We've got our deboned chicken thighs. Now this is what we're going to be using for our teriyaki chicken. Make sure you save these. Great for bone broth. So for our chicken, you can go ahead and cut these into strips. You can cut them into cubes, however you like to have your teriyaki chicken. I'm gonna cut them into cubes. All right, friends, we got our chicken thighs all cut up into pieces. I've got some cornstarch here, and we're gonna just coat our chicken in the cornstarch. This will give it a nice crust, and it also will help that teriyaki sauce thicken. I've got my cast iron skillet. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on medium high. Let my lard come up to temperature, and then we're gonna start frying up our chicken. All right, our pan is nice and hot now. Let's go ahead and start layering in our chicken. Make sure you don't overcrowd your pan too, because that cools down the oil. Friends, so now that my chicken has browned up nicely, we're going to go ahead, stick it off to the side, and repeat with the remainder of our chicken. All right, friends, so the last of our chicken is done. I'm going to go ahead and add back in the chicken we've already cooked. Give that a stir. Now we've got our teriyaki sauce that has been sitting, and it has definitely rendered down some. So we're going to add this. And we're going to give this a nice stir and cook. And we're going to let this thicken up. You can see that the teriyaki sauce is thickening up nicely. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. And we're going to add this back to our bowl. Now, doesn't that look delicious? Our white rice is fully done. Nice and fluffy. Now, friends, let's go ahead and build our bowl. Going with some white rice. And some teriyaki chicken. Got some sesame seeds. And there we go. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, friends, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. I cannot wait. It smells amazing in here. Making your own teriyaki sauce is definitely key. The store-bought stuff just isn't the same. Now you can go ahead and add some broccoli to this, and it would be really good. Fry up some green beans. Definitely gotta have a veggie. And it makes a difference when you have the chicken thighs versus the chicken breast. It's not dry. When you use chicken breast, it tends to be a little bit on the dry side. Definitely do the chicken thighs. Makes it a whole lot better. I have been craving Chinese food. Oh my goodness. Give this a try, friends. All right, friends, so I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you give it a try. Drop it down in the comments and let me know what you think about it. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.